Salam TV crew! We got into a side garage to check the work, how it is. Today we got here and then I found the fiberglass is done. One side is done. I'm gonna show you. This is the Omar was working yesterday. We couldn't stay here like long time because it takes time, this fiberglass one. So here, oh yeah, Omar is working on here you can see the bar, it's a wood. He put in here so that it would be like sturdy and strong. So yeah, I'm happy with the fiberglass work. Still gonna like look forward to see how they're gonna mount it between the Tubi and the high roof. Yesterday, the roll bar is on there and we checked it. We found out that the one side is tilted. So we asked them to fix that problem, right? Yeah. So Mark is checking, but I'm gonna go inside and explain a little bit more. So, alright, there's a wire, don't mind me. Don't mind it, it's fine. Yesterday the roll bar was kind of tilted one side. So we got here and Mark checked before the angles and everything. It's pretty good. It's much better than yesterday. They made this template to check here and there. A little bit in the office, I think it's okay. But 2 centimeters yesterday was kind of too much, but they fixed it here. But we found one other kind of thing here, and then front area is good, but this one is quite straight. When we put the wood to build the interior, it's kind of sticking up. So it is a fixable problem. So we asked them to fix this one. You need to bend it a little bit more. Overall, we are happy about the resort, and then mostly like balanced. And I'm really happy with the Sahid and Mohammed, and Omar. They are really nice to just like, oh, okay, yeah, we can fix it. No problem. Don't worry about it. And just like kind of like my burdens go away too. Kind of like I can be a little bit relaxed. And yeah, overall, it is c'est bon. C'est bon. I know only one word, c'est bon. So yeah, I'm really happy right now. I think we found a really perfect person here to do this job. Guys, Omar is working on the second fiberglass, like second wall. So he's putting a gel coat. So that will be, ooh, smelly. That will be like a shiny part of the fiberglass. Ooh, I can smell. Salam TV crew. It's actually like 3 days after we found the problem with the one bar. Oh my god, I think I cannot get there. I think I need to wait in the gate a little bit longer because since we started the job in here, I'm just like inhaling the paint and fiberglass. I start to have a pain on my sinus. So I'm wearing the mask and my Mark went up there and
your Mark?
Yeah, my Mark.
He took the donor roof, he's grinding it down to get ready to graft the side panels that he made last week. So they're grinding fiberglass, so I need to get a mask on fast.
Yeah. That's what is happening, guys. Guys, we're wearing the mask. It's like a really thin one, so Mark is using 2, and I'm gonna layer with my fabric one. Because yeah, this is no joke. We wear the mask, and as soon as I got out, I can see the fiberglass sidewall Omar worked on last 3 days. You can see this one is done, and then there's a second one over there. Can you hold me, Hania?
Yeah, like up here they have it welded down like this and bolted. This is down. You can see this is done.
Oh, nice.
This is done. Squared across here. Also in the back.
Okay.
So bolted, spot welded, bolted. They'll spot weld like that.
Oh, that's nice. So this is the back they put the L-beam to put more support, and you can see there's a welded, and this one is the spot welded, and then put the bolt in it, so it's just like kind of combine it. And over there front, Mark inside is talking right now, they put the L-beam too, and then front area is welded too. Guys, it's aiming. Omar is grinding inside of the donor roof. The reason why the roll bar and then donor roof need to be mounted together, so he's grinding the area to make the mount. So yeah, he's doing it. Salam Tubi crew, good morning. Yesterday I couldn't stay here that long, so I decided to go back home. While I'm back home, Mark stay here. So I went back home, and Mark decided to come to garage for the afternoon. So he came back here and he filmed the stuff.
Alright, they are getting ready to mold this roof to its final shape. So what they have done, first they've permanently attached it to the roll cage. They've used fiberglass with some kind of fiberglass reinforced putty to fill the gaps. Oh, there's also a piece of wood inside between the bar and the roof as well. Next they cut out these slots in the front, so that they'll be able to shape the side more, make a nicer shape. Take a look, guys. Take a look. They have temporarily placed the side panel up there. It's just temporary. They will attach it a little bit better later, but this is so they can continue to shape the roof, and it's pretty impressive. Let me show you what it looks like from inside. Alright, here we are on the inside, guys, and you can see this will eventually be trimmed along here to butt up perfectly with this guy. And then you can see it's already pre-ground here. They will put a overlapping layer along here to attach these guys together. Okay, so you can see they've marked it off in a blue marker where they want to cut the roof. And so now I think, I'm not sure, but I think they're going to take it down soon and actually cut today and possibly mount this side of the roof. I wasn't expecting them to do it today, and I wish Lucy was here to see this, but yeah, pretty exciting. This, guys. So they still have to stitch it together with fiberglass, but wow, it looks so good, and it really lines up just perfectly. Honestly, guys, it looks like it just came out of a factory.
Today is the first time I came here to see what kind of things are done, and I love it. I love it. It's way better than I pictured about the high roof. Right now they're doing the grinding work again, so I have to a little bit go farther, or I have to grab my mask. One wall is like set there, but when they pose their job, and I'm gonna jump in the car and then it's gonna show you. I hear from Mark how far they did. I'm not that patient to check it. I love it. I love it. You guys will see it soon. Mark is over there. He grabbed the mats because grinding work is going on and he want to film in inside. I'm so falling in love with their work. I love the shape of the TV right now. Ta-da! Guys, look at this. I told you why I love that shape of the roof right now. I like better than what I expected. Actually, what we expected. Omar did a really great job. You guys see this kind of masking tape here. So that one originally has the this wood piece here. So they put in here, outside, inside, and then there's a wire. So they just get rid of the wood piece and then grind it inside, and then Omar is working on the filling the stuff inside. So do you like the roof?
Yeah.
Did you imagine that our roof would be like this shape or this, like that? Beauty? Right?
Beyond my expectations.
Yeah, me too, me too. It's a really great job. Last night, Mark came back home, the apartment, and then I asked him like, can you show me the picture? Like how far it's done? I'm so excited to see it and everything. And then he showed me the picture. I couldn't keep my eyes off the picture. I keep looking at it, On the way back here, I was kind of walking really fast, like athletics, not running, but like fast walking. Because I cannot wait to see it, and I'm really happy.
Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles.
Okay, we're gonna close the vlog today, and if you like the video, please click the like. If you met us like first time, please like and subscribe us because we have so many adventures and so many things that are going on in our channel, so you can click it and you can see our journey and everything previously. And then right now we are doing van build in Morocco, so you are gonna see more things popping up. Before I close the vlog, I want to say thank you to all the Patreon members and membership crews and then supporting us through the PayPal and other sources. So okay, we are gonna go. Bye. Bislama. Bye bye.